Alright, y'all, we are about to test out our stress relief aroma therapy. Alright, y'all, please ignore how rough I look. I've been craving some Taco Bell, so I literally just ordered some on the app. They really didn't have any, like, good deals. I look so rough. Ooh. Anyways, y'all, they didn't really have any good deals on the app, but they added some new menu items. Now, the saddest thing to me is that Taco Bell doesn't have their dollar menu anymore like they used to. So everything's like $2 except for like cinnamon twist and a cheesy roll up, which who even wants that? I forgot to get a spicy potato soft taco. I think those are still only $1, but I didn't order one because I wasn't thinking about it. I'm trying to think of what's the quickest way to get there. And I think the way I was about to go was not. Update on my appointment. So I had 2 other appointments, people who booked me on Style Seat, but they both canceled their appointment. So really can't do much about that. So now I don't know what I'm gonna do, but both of them, it was just weird. And this is why, you know, like, you win some, you lose some, y'all. I didn't take it like personally or anything, but every client is not gonna be a great client anyways. I'm blessed that like most of the, well, all the people that I've done have been very nice people. I don't know. I haven't gotten a client that was just like someone like, I don't ever want to give you a service again because of how like rude, or, you know, there is such thing as a bad client. We talk about bad service all the time and how, you know, a stylist will do this or have like all of these really high expectations, but we rarely talk about how some of y'all or some people are horrible clients and are just rude, expect like impossible things and stuff like that. So I personally believe it goes both ways. It's not just one or the other. So I haven't had a client like that, but I know stylists who have been like, you know, like, don't ever request me to do you again. Like, they will not tolerate certain clients. And it's just like, just because, I mean, the same way like companies can deny clients who are like unruly or unproductive, it's like the same thing. Like, just because someone's offering a service or you're paying for a service doesn't mean you can treat them like crap, doesn't mean you can be rude to them, doesn't mean you don't have to be respectful. And thank goodness. So I just see it as, you know, a blessing in disguise. Maybe this was not the type of client I would want to do to begin with, especially because, so the first person that canceled, she canceled like after I had communicating with her about like the location for her service. So I said this previously, but I travel to people and do services that way because I'm not based out of a salon, and I don't want people coming to my house and it's still not being a professional environment. So it's just easier to travel to people and do my services that way. But this one particular person was like, oh, well, she made it seem weird that she made it seem like it was weird that I was a traveling stylist. She's just like, oh, I didn't know you were a traveling stylist. I was like, yeah, I'm based in this area. I don't work out of a salon, which is not like a normal thing. Like, I've never had anyone have an issue with that except for this person. And so I let her know, like, and she said, would I be able to meet at your place? And I just said, yes, I just have to ask, because obviously I'm not staying, like, it's not my own place. So I have to ask my dad to see if it's okay to have someone over. And it's just not ideal for me, especially when I'm living with my parents, because I feel like it's not my own place. And out of respect for like my parents, I don't want to just bring, you know, random people in and out of their house, and they might not feel comfortable. I know my mom especially probably wouldn't have been. So, you know, I had asked my dad previously if I could do makeup client, like the makeup client I did earlier this week, and he was like, yeah, it's okay. And he was going to be out of town anyway, so that was fine. But it was like a one-time favor, and I don't want to make it like a recurring thing where, you know, I'm just expecting him to always want me to do clients in his house. So I just told her, like, yeah, I have to like wait and see, because I don't live by myself. And then next thing I know, she just canceled her appointment, and I was literally gonna send her the address. So I just messaged her like, hey, I was gonna get you the address today, but I saw you canceled, so no worries. I hope everything works out for you. And literally that's all I said. So that was that one. And then the other person who canceled their appointment with me, like, I messaged them like my whole spiel, like letting them know, like, hey, thanks so much for booking with me. I know I'm a traveling stylist, and I just need to know what a good address is for your appointment at your earliest convenience. And the person never responded, and then they canceled. So I'm not sure what was going on there. I might pick my Taco Bell up in store. I'm not wearing a bra though. Ugh, should have put a bra on. I was planning on going through the drive-thru, but the drive-thru line is insane. I love this Taco Bell, by the way. It's super nice. Alright, I ended up in the drive-thru. Man, it looks it's really long. I thought the whole point of ordering online was you didn't have to wait, but because I've selected drive-thru, it's like I have to go through the drive-thru, which is annoying. And there's probably like 6 or 7 cars in front of me. Y'all, I really need to do my hair. I'm either going to do it tomorrow or Saturday, or actually I'm either gonna do it tomorrow or Monday. I really want to do butterfly twist, which I think I might have attempted before. No, actually I did passion twist before, but I want to try butterfly twist. I saw someone's video and it looked super cute, and I'm like, I want something that is bigger and chunkier, so I don't have to do as much work, because I'm tired of doing the small braids. That takes like 7 hours.
King of the road, trailer for sailoring, man, trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, but trailer for sailoring. Give, man, don't say trailer for sailoring. Trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no trailer for sailoring.
Oh, I got it.
Give, man, King of the road. Trailer for sailoring. Man, trailer for sailoring.
I just waited in that drive-thru line for like 15 minutes and they're like, you need to come inside. I'm not wearing a bra or nothing. That's why I didn't want to come in freaking inside. So freaking annoyed. Y'all, I'm so irritated. I am never gonna order from this one again. That's so freaking frustrating. All right, good morning, you guys. Don't mind how rough I'm looking right now. We are about to go run some errands, and I also really want to try Taco Bell's breakfast. Now, yesterday I went to this Taco Bell and they made me very they made me very upset. I look so bad. But I still really want to try their breakfast, and I woke up bright and early this morning at 8 a.m., which is, I mean, I guess that's the time my internal alarm clock has been waking me up at 8 a.m. for whatever reason. And I always tell people this, like, my body, my circadian rhythm, whatever, I don't know if that's a true thing, so let me not quote that like I know. But, ooh, I'm gonna have to get gas soon too. Good thing the prices went down. But I really want to do y'all, there's ants all over my car. I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. Y'all, I'm freaking out. Bruh, do y'all see all these ants? I have to go clean my car now. What the freak? Okay, that just ruined me leaving. I gotta go spray my car with Raid now. And then I'm gonna have to go to a car wash and clean the freaking... Well, I can't even clean the inside of my car. That's the issue. Or the outside of my car because of all that stuff. But y'all, I have been feeling like my legs are bitten. Y'all, I have never seen that in my life. FML. Why do these things always have to happen to me? Like, I literally cannot. Never seen ants like that in my car before. And I'm trying to figure out how the freak they got in. They're all over my freaking car, you guys. Like, I hate that I'm spraying my car like this, but I have freaking no choice. I cannot live with ants crawling around my car. There's probably some leftover food and trash I need to get out, but my car is not that, has never been this bad. Like, they're literally infested every freaking where. Luckily, y'all, this stuff does not stink that bad. Y'all, that just ruined, pretty much ruined my freaking day. But I was gonna say, I feel like I've been having so many bug bites, and maybe it was from my car this whole time and I just never noticed. I need to find gloves so I can get some of that trash out my car. I don't even know if I have it, y'all. I just cleaned my car like my life depended on it using this disinfectant cleaner, and I already killed all of the ants that were in there, y'all. And like, I was cleaning out my car, it really wasn't like a lot of trash in there. I'm about to get a towel to sit down because I don't really want to sit in there until I have am able to vacuum the rest of that stuff out. But I cannot make up this stuff. I can't believe that. Oh my gosh, where's my garage closer? Y'all.
Garage door.
I had to put on my rubber cleaning gloves. I'm gonna bring these with me too, so that and what I did realize though, I think it's from like when I spilled my drinks from like eating out. That's like the only thing I can think of, because it would have probably left like a sweet sticky residue that would attract ants. But I still, like, I've spilled drinks in my car before and I've never seen ants like that. So let me show y'all what my car looks like now. So I cleaned out my cup holder completely with the spray. I tried my best to like dust everything down. I don't see any ants anymore, y'all, but I am still traumatized. I am legit traumatized. So like, my car smells a lot better now because I sprayed so much of that thing. I'm gonna drive with my windows down. I still want my Taco Bell breakfast, y'all. I'm just in low-key a state of shock because I have never, oh my gosh, there's like an ant. I have like a roll of paper towel. I've never experienced anything like that in my whole entire life. And I thought it was like termites or something, but I'm like, there's not even wood in my car. And obviously I can't just not drive my car because I need my car for other things. But I do think it was from my cup holder and the spilled drinks. How they all got in my car, I do not know. Like if there's maybe a secret entrance or something for them to get in. But I am traumatized from that, y'all. Like, y'all don't even understand the half of it. Like, y'all heard my scream, right? When I noticed. I was legit already sitting, and now I just feel like there's bugs everywhere. And like, I don't see any, and I know I sprayed like my roach. I'm gonna need to take a shower as soon as I get home. So now I have to do 3 things: get my breakfast, vacuum out my car, and go to the beauty supply store. I'm getting my breakfast first though. Like, y'all, and when I tell you, like, it was only in like the front section too. I'm like still looking to see if there's any like ants that I missed, and I'm like, I don't see anything. I just don't feel comfortable in this car anymore. There's just so many other, there's already been so many other issues too with just like the driving, and that kind of just put the straw on the camel's back. Ugh. But y'all, I kid you not, I have bites on my legs, like a bunch of bug bites, and now I'm thinking it was from ants that were in my car that I just never noticed until it was too late. Oh, we're about to get gas. It is almost 10. I think the breakfast closes. I wanted to try the breakfast box that they have, but it's almost 10 o'clock now, so not my car dragging. Y'all, I don't think I'll ever be the same. Oh my goodness, you guys. I feel so uncomfortable in my car. Luckily, I don't think it was a lot, but it wasn't a terrible amount. Like, it wasn't infesting my whole car. Like, they were all just near my cup holder, and that's what I cleaned out the most, because there was probably like I also feel like I keep feeling bugs crawling up on me. I'm going to like do my very best to keep my car like as clean as humanly possible, because I do not ever, y'all, and I mean ever, want to experience what I experienced today again. Ugh, like, I'm just afraid to touch anything in my car. I don't want to breathe in my toxic Raid scent, even though it just smells like lemon cleaning supplies. Oh my goodness. And I have had a roach, seen a roach maybe once in my car before, like years ago, probably from food that was like left over or something. And then the only other time was I had forgotten I had Or I had a old like microwavable food tray that got stuck under my seat and went bad, like was literally molding in underneath the seat in my car, and my car smelled really bad for a long time, and I didn't realize it was because there was one of my groceries, like frozen groceries, had fallen out of my bag and was molding underneath my seat. So that's like the only other experience that I've had, but I have never had ants like that. And there's still some like residue, like crust that I want to try to clean out in my car. I'm just scared, bruh. Alright, y'all, let's see if we can order the Taco Bell breakfast box still.
Welcome to Taco Bell. Can I get it for you?
Hi, do y'all have the breakfast box?
We have the, yes ma'am, it's the quesadilla one now. The other one is over with. You get a quesadilla, bacon, sausage, or steak.
Can I do sausage?
Yes ma'am. And what's your drink?
Can I do the Cinnabon Delights iced coffee?
All right.
And that's it.
All right. Hold one moment for me, ma'am.
Alright, y'all. I went through the drive-thru, but she asked if I wanted sauce, and for some reason I said no. Ooh. Alright, so we are going to try the breakfast bell box. It comes with a hash brown, the Cinnabon Delights, and then it has a breakfast quesadilla in it. And then I got the Cinnabon Delights iced coffee, so we're gonna try that first. Yum, that's actually really, really good. So I've already had my fair share of Cinnabon Delights, so I know I'm gonna like that, but really I'm curious about the quesadilla. I really want to try the mango whipped freeze and some other items on their menu. Okay. I'm gonna cut off a piece of this quesadilla. I feel like it's a pretty big breakfast. Get some sauce on it. Well, that is pretty good. So I chose the sausage one, but you can also get bacon or steak. I feel like it's a pretty decent sized box for only $5 for breakfast. I look so bad right now. But as y'all saw in my vlog, there was a reason. But at least there's a reason now. Now I honestly just feel overwhelmed being in my car, especially eating. I now understand more. My mom was so big about us not being in her car as children. Okay, we're gonna try the hash brown. And then it just tastes like a regular hash brown to me. Nothing like that special. And then my favorite, which would be the Cinnabon Delights, which were already kind of like breakfasty items. I haven't had this in so long though. This Taco Bell is really nice because it's brand new. But yesterday they pissed me off and I had to write a bad review because the manager was like horrible. So yeah, I will eat the rest of this when I go home because I have to get other stuff done today. So yeah. Alright, y'all, I found a place that has a car vacuum. You just have to pay $1 for it. So that's what we're gonna see. Although I'm not sure if I have 4. I don't know if I have 4 quarters. I don't. And this one, of course, is a self-service place. I don't know what this woman is doing, but I don't know if they have change. Oh, here it says change. I don't have any dollar bills. Oh my gosh, the bugs over here are ridiculous. No quarters. Oh, you have to have tokens. I don't have dollar bill. All right, well that was a fail. And the other places you have to get your outer car wash before they would, what am I trying to say? You have to like go through the car wash to use the vacuums. But all I need is the vacuum, so
2,000 years later.
Alright, y'all, I just got my hair from the beauty supply store. I can see the weather strip on my car just dragging up the front. My car looks so bad, y'all. I don't know when I'm gonna be able to get it fixed. At this point, I kind of just feel like I need to just get a new car altogether because I've spent too much money as it is, paying to get it fixed. But I would probably still just get like a used car, probably from like 2015, if I'm gonna do it that way. But I found the perfect hair for butterfly locks. So That's the style I want to do today. And then hopefully I'll be done around like 3 p.m. and can do some Instacart. But it's 10:30 right now, so I started at 11. The girl whose tutorial I watched, she said it only took her about 4 hours. So hopefully it doesn't take me that longer than that. And yeah.
Open eye, feel the way.
Alright, you guys, I'm about to start on my hair. I just finished washing it, so now I just need to find my blow dryer brush, which I used it on a client a while ago, so it's still in my kit. At my house, which is what you guys you can't see, but hear me struggling to get out. And I'm just blow drying my hair, but I'm going to be doing butterfly wax, so I need a lot of things from my kit. And also, this is my top I just got from Shein, the Hello Kitty collection. I think it's cute, but I also am like, I don't know if I would ever wear this out, you guys, because even though it's like everything is covered, I still feel low-key exposed. But it's hot outside, so, and I think it's, I still think it's cute to take pictures in at home, and once I finish my hair, it'll look really cute. So yeah, so anyways, I already washed and conditioned my hair. I put in my leave-in conditioner, so we're just gonna get right into blow drying my hair. Now, I do feel like I'm missing some like clips and stuff, but I can only do so much about that. Alright, well, we are halfway done with blow drying my hair. And this is what it's looking like. A big ball of fluff. So pretty much doing my hair took all day. So I'm just going to relax the rest of my day. Ooh, I think I'm gonna make some popcorn. I have a pomegranate dragon fruit sparkling water. So good. And yeah, we're just gonna relax. Alright, y'all. I feel like I haven't really done anything that productive today other than my hair, which is slowly coming together, or I'm just getting used to it. I'm glad I did like thicker locks though, because before I was like nervous they were going to be too skinny, but they like fluff up over time, so I'm happy about that. Ooh.
No, my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See my taste. Baby, give me one more chance.
Alright, y'all, I am getting ready for bed. I just filmed literally a very long story time video, so make sure you guys check it out when it's posted. I don't know when. It was pretty much like part 3 of a story time series I was doing, but also like just a very raw, real conversation about my what's been happening in my current dating life. So I hope you guys will check out that video. I will try to link it below in this vlog when I post it, if I remember to, or if it's up by then. But it was just a lot. It was a lot of things I had to get off my chest, and I feel like I have peace again, which if you watch that video, you'll understand why that's a big thing. But I just feel like I have peace again. I don't feel like I'm compromising myself or my faith or my beliefs. And that's really kind of important to me. So yeah, I was about to like cook dinner or something, but I think I'm just going to call it a night and go to bed. I really didn't have a great night, and I had an okay day today, but I didn't really do a lot of that much, so hopefully tomorrow will be a good vlog for you guys.
1, 2, 3, 4.